KJ's in here working on Casper, just about got the transfer case out.
It's a divorce transfer case.
It's going to be a divorce transfer case here in a minute. Bad boy over here. I want to see what's the matter with you. Okay, that.
Go past them.
We agree that's two-wheel drive?
Because we won't go past them.
Two-wheel drive, should be.
But the front was.
No, that's fine. Okay. That should be 4 high.
Yep.
Okay. That should be neutral. Locked up tight.
And neutral.
That should be neutral. That should be 4 low.
That's 4 low. And that's why it won't go into.
Roll that. Hold it. Mark. Roll that over one time real easy. It's not low. It's locked up in. That's direct drive. Like it doesn't have low for some reason.
It was locked at low. You saw it drive home. Or you saw it drive.
But that right there should be forward. That should be two-wheel drive.
Which it is. Can you agree?
That's four-wheel drive.
Yep.
That should be neutral.
What it's not.
Definitely not. And that should be low, which it's not.
Huh. So why was it locked in 4-wheel low?
I don't know. But there's also this goofy, whatever's going on there.
That almost sounds like low.
Yeah, that's what it's like the low is broke off of it. And now that you've taken it out, maybe it slipped and it slid out
Maybe.
of low. Which way did you have that whenever you picked it up? Okay, there's neutral. Yeah, by moving it, we got it to come out of gear. That's actually low.
So his low broke off?
Something's. That's 4-wheel. 2-wheel. That's 4-wheel. Neutral. Yeah, so something.
It won't even go into low there. Jesus criminy, don't break the case. That's all they do once, really.
Yeah, look at the fluid. Look at the fluid.
Full metal.
Junk. Dirty transfer.
Oh my God! Look at all this metal in it. Show the YouTube.
Show the peoples.
All the sparklers in it.
Sparkly metal. Yeah, there's something bad going on.
Okay, so what did it?
It's just whatever. It went bad.
Can't do anything about it. Got another one tomorrow.
All right, hey, so this morning we went ahead and washed Casper there. You got to see us do that. KJ's got this thing pretty much ready to go back together. You saw us mess around with the transfer case there, trying to figure out what's going on with it. KJ is about to go get a new transfer case for it. And a couple more parts. I think he found a wrench hand. He found a couple other things. As you can see there, he is the man loading that transfer case up. The PO of this truck used POR 15 on the frame, and as you can see, I do not like POR 15 because it just pops right off when you get underneath of it. I do not like it. KJ pulled the rear brakes off of this thing, and there was no backing plate for the park brake, so that's a problem that we're going to take care of. You can see here the frame again. That's all going to be cleaned up and sprayed again with a decent paint. Loading up the transfer case in the back of Henry. Passenger side rear. Frame's gonna need cleaned up, painted, inner fender well, all that good stuff. Hey guys, when you paint a truck, do your very best not to cover everything in overspray. Like the inner fenders, the plastics, the rubbers, like all this. Do your very best not to do that. It's not hard to put a little piece of tape on a piece of rubber so this doesn't happen, and then it looks like total dog do. I don't appreciate that. Take the time. If you're gonna paint something, take the time to do it right. That's all. So some of the other parts that KJ's already collected for Casper, he's got a complete turbo back exhaust system, complete with muffler. I don't know who would want a 5-inch through muffler, but these are the 26s that he's going to end up putting on Henry, and these are the new 22s that are going to go on Casper with those tires, the 35s, 33s. They got 35s and 37s on them now. They are a 22, 14 and a half, 12 and a half.
No, they're 22 by 12.
22, 12. With a 37 tire on it.
13, 50, 22.
And we're going to put those 33s on them. Which is a shame because 2 of those 37s are good, and the other 2, well, I've seen more tread on the backside of a baby, if you will. Same pattern there. It's actually the same wheel. That's a 26. That's a 22.
Just a different lip.
KJ's going to get a ranch hand today,
Maybe a rear bumper,
and a transfer case for it. So I got the fire going here. Hopefully it's going to warm up soon. Once it warms up, hopefully get most of this water dried up out of here. Shouldn't take long once the fans get running, and then we can get back at it. All right, that's all for now. We'll talk to everybody later. Thanks for watching.
with another buddy. Yeah, his 7.3, it's not doing too well. It'll just crank, and we think it's plugged with fuel. So we're flat towing it home. We're going approximately about 15 mile an hour, and Casper's running good.